Hello. Today I will show you step by step how to create a quick and effective graph using Microsoft Excel. Graphs are a great way to visually present, compare, and analyze data more easily. Whether it is a school project or a business presentation, Excel graphs prove with great convenience. If you want to see more informative content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. First, open your Excel file and prepare the data you want to graph in a table form. For example, you can write the categories in column A and the numerical values corresponding to column B. After completing the table, select all the data with the mouse. After selecting your data, click on the Insert tab in the top menu. Here, you will see various types of graphs such as bar, line, pie, or column. To select the graph that best suits your data, just click on the relevant icon. Excel automatically creates a graph according to the data you selected. You can add a title, change the colors, or edit the axis by clicking on the created graph. To customize elements such as chart title, axis labels, data labels, you can double-click on the chart to access editing options. Once you completed all these steps, you will have a chart that will represent your data in a way that is both understandable and aesthetic. Excel charts are effective and indispensable tools for analysis, reporting, and representations.